Welcome back. Former Minister of Goa Sanjay Bandekar is no more. He breathed his last on Thursday at a hospital in Madgaon. He suffered from brain hemorrhage. He was struggling for life in the hospital for many days. He died at the age of 59. Final rites will be performed on Friday at Agonda in Concon at 12 noon.
Sanjay Bandekar entered politics back in 1990 as an MGP candidate. He then joined the Congress party. Bandekar was ill at his residence in Agonda and was immediately shifted to a hospital in Madgaon. He is survived by his wife, son and 2 daughters. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar condoled the death of Sanjay Bandekar. He was Sports and Information Minister in Parrikar's first cabinet in 1999. He said, Sanjay Bandekar's death is a great loss to the state of Goa. He was a leader of the masses. I have lost a good friend and a fighter colleague. We sympathize with the bereaved family of Bandekar.
एक चांगला दक्षिणेकडला म्हणजे कानपूरचा सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता हरपला आणि त्याच्यासाठी आपण मुकलेलो आहोत. गोमांतकामध्ये त्यांनी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये तसंच राजकारणातही मंत्री म्हणून काम केलेलं होतं. स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर म्हणून चांगलं काम केलेलं आहे आणि त्यांना आमच्यातर्फे काँग्रेस विधिमंडळ पक्षातर्फे त्यांना मी श्रद्धांजली अर्पण करतो.
जो एका वेळार विधानसभेत म्हजो सहकारी आशिल्लो तो आमकां सोडून गेलो म्हणून कळ्ळें. अत्यंत दुख्ख जालें. हांव जेन्ना विधानसभेत पहिल्याच वर्सा पहिल्याच टर्माक आशिल्लो त्या वेळाचेर आमचे बरोबर संजय बांदेकार काणकोणकारांचे प्रश्न सुद्दां हिरिरीन उठयतालो. मंत्री म्हणूनय ताणें गोंयच्या विकासा खातीर योगदान दिल्लें आसा. ताच्या निधनान एक बऱ्या कार्यकर्त्याक तडफदार नेत्याक आमी मुकल्यात. देवा कडेन मागता की ताच्या आत्म्याक शांती मेळची आनी ताच्या घरच्यांक हो आघात सहन करपाची शक्ती देवान दिवची.
हो एक व्हडलो लॉस आमकां काणकोणकारांक, बिगस्ट लॉस. कित्याक बांदेकार एक जावन आसलो एक बरो लिडर, लोकांक पावपी, केन्ना हेल्प करपी, म्हणजे लोकां बरोबर आसपी, लोकां बरोबर भोंवपी. सो आयज आमकां काणकोणकारांक एक बीग लॉस. पॉलिटिकली आमचे डिफरन्स आसूं पूण एज अ लिडर a great loss amka Kankon.
Sanjay Bandekar's funeral will leave his residence on Friday at 12 noon from Agonda. Our reporters Lokik Shilkar, Samir Bhatt and Babesh Borkar.
Panji police have registered an offence against 2 persons for duping a Panji resident to the tune of 75 lakh rupees for supplying iron ore. Meanwhile, Kalangut police conducted raids and arrested 2 persons at Khobrawada, Kalangut on Thursday for possessing narcotic drugs worth 75,000 rupees. Goa police have earlier arrested 4 Nigerians this year for possessing narcotic drugs.
Pankaj Agarwal has filed a complaint that he had entered into the agreement with one Ramesh Bhakta and Shetty म्हणून 2 पार्टनर केले. बाबू शेट्टी केले. to supply 3,000 metric ton iron ore. And as per contract they paid 75 lakhs. Now more than 1 year is passed. The mineral ore is not supplied.
Kalangut police arrested Dilip Singh Pushkar and Eugenia Shirodkar in 2 different raids at Khobrawada, Kalangut on Thursday. Police have seized drugs worth 75,000 rupees from both the accused persons. Goa police have also released sketch of suspected accused person who along with 2 other accused persons had impersonated as police and committed theft of gold ornaments worth 65,000 rupees from the bag of a lady at Kampal on 2nd May. Our senior video journalist from Panji, Tulsidas Chari. Alert residents of Komba Madgaon raised alarm and caught hold of 2 persons who were attempting theft in a flat in broad daylight by breaking open the latch of the main door. Both of them were later handed over to Madgaon police. Police have seized the instruments used by the robbers for committing thefts.
Alertness of the locals failed a plan of 2 thieves who were in process of committing theft in a flat at Komba Madgaon in broad daylight. Locals caught them and handed them to the Madgaon police. Police are verifying their involvement in other theft cases in the state.
दोग जाण चोरांनी हांगा चोरी करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. आमची एक शेजारची बायल तिणें तांकां बरें नोट करून शेजाऱ्यांक सगळ्यांक इन्फॉर्म करून तांकां ट्रॅप करपाक सगळें ट्रॅप केलो त्या वेळार आनी मागीर पुलिसां स्वाधीन केलो. पूण हें सगळें भर दिसाक जाता हें पळोवन सगळ्यांक अजाप दिसता की इतले हें आसतना पासून कशें जावपाक शकता काय म्हूण चोरी.
Police, with the help of the public, have caught two burglars who have effected entry into the house of one Sri Makarand Patil, resident of flat number 1, Prithvi Apartments near Mahilanutan School, Margaon. The two burglars, namely Sheikh Mustaqim, aged 27 years, and Newton Sheikh, aged 28 years, both residents of Kolkata, were caught red-handed. They had effected entry into the said flat by breaking open the lock of the main door, and inside they have tempered the almirah, and we found two gold ornaments, one pendant and one earring in their possession.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dice.
Now look at the other events in the state.
Madgaon municipality, along with joint Mamledar and police, demolished an illegal structure at Monte Hill, Madgaon on Tuesday. Municipal engineer of Madgaon municipality says that municipality undertook demolition of illegal structure after serving necessary demolition notices.
Oscar Silvera party has complained somewhere in the month of February, based on which notices have been served and even a final notice was served. And request was made to the demolition squad. Accordingly, demolition squad has fixed this to the demolition and it was even carried out accordingly.
Delegation of BJP submitted memorandum to South Goa collector N.D. Agarwal requesting to stop digging of roads. BJP has also requested to commence pre-monsoon work and restoration of the roads at the earliest.
आम्ही कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली आसा इतले नाला आसा इतले रोड आसा आयज फोडपाचे बंद करा. आयज त्या बोलशे सर्कलाचेर इतली व्हडली 10 मिटरांची खडी मारलेली आसा ती तरी बंद जावची आनी एज इट इज परत जावची म्हणून सगळे डिगिंग बंद करचे आनी नाला सगळे क्लिनिंग करचे म्हणून साफ करचे म्हणून.
Hot mixing of road near Holy Spirit Church Madgaon began on Monday. The road is being hot mixed ahead of Purumetache Fest to be held on May 27th. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.